The next question is E747. Duncan SE reports the following financial information before adjustment. So there's accounts receivable, allowance for doubtful accounts, sales revenue on credit, and sales return and allowances. So prepare the journal entry to record bad debt expense, assuming Duncan estimates bad debts at A. 5% of accounts receivable, and B. 5% of accounts receivable but allowance for doubtful accounts had a 1,500 debit balance. Okay, so this is the allowance method because the bad debt will be based on the accounts receivable. Okay, so it is very easy. You just calculate how much is the bad debt, is the allowance for doubtful accounts at the end of the period. Okay, so directly take 5%, okay, of 100,000, you will get 5,000. Okay, so the allowance for doubtful account at the end of the year should be 5,000. Okay, meanwhile here is only 2,000. So we need to add how much in order to get 5,000 euro. Okay, so we need to calculate the difference. Okay, the difference will be 5,000 minus 2,000. So it will be 3,000 that we need to adjust. Okay, from 2,000 to 5,000. So if you have calculated the differences, you can just directly go on to the journal entry. So debit bad debt expense, credit allowance for doubtful accounts, 3,000. Yeah. And then B, it will be similar to A. So at the end of the year, okay, it will be 5,000, the allowance for doubtful account. But before the adjustment, the allowance for doubtful account had 1,500 debit balances, not credit. Yeah, so if it is already in debit balance, it means that the allowance for doubtful accounts is minus already. Yeah, so when you calculate the difference, you need to be careful. Yeah, so it is 5,000 minus 1,500. Yeah, because this 1,500 is on the debit side, so it is minus already. Okay, so the difference will be 6,500. Yeah, from minus 1,500, we want to get 5,000. So we need to add 6,500. Yeah, so if you have get the 6,500, you can just put it under the same journal entry. Debit bad debt expense, credit allowance for that full account 6,500.